beautiful people. We are picking for day 17, so let's do that now. Happy Friday. This is the 17th, and let's see what we got. You guys, it feels very light. Oh my gosh. Whenever it feels light, I feel scared. Oh. Okay, backup light. Whenever it feels light, I feel very scared. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, well, we know there's our confetti there, but why is my phone going off? Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. A surprise gift? Wait, what is this? Oh, is it like a bracelet? Would this be a bracelet, darling? Okay, so you guys, remember we got this gift in the other one that I told you guys was like a sticker? Some of you were really bright and you were like, girl, it's like a seal to write the most intimate love letter to boy, and then you seal it with a camellia. So that's what it was. It was a seal, and this looks like it's a bracelet. So I'll be wearing this, okay? I'm definitely gonna wear it or rock it on a handbag, okay? It's the double C for me. On to the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, guys. Really rude. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. If you are returning, thank you so much, and welcome back to Vlogmas. Happy holidays, everyone. I do have a very affordable gift guide idea to share with you today. Well, it's not an idea. I actually am bringing it to life. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous, darling. So if that sounds like something that you'd be into, please go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It will notify you every single time there is a video placed on this channel. You guys, this video is all about affordable fragrances, and it's all about Be Layered. Thank you so much to Be Layered for collaborating with me on today's video. I truly appreciate you. You guys, I've been talking about Be Layered forever. I have been working with them for a few years now, and I absolutely love their fragrances. I tell you guys all the time, my favorite by the brand is First Kiss, which is an inspiration fragrance for Delina. A little bit about Be Layered in case some of you are new. If you are not new, then you know all about Be Layered, but if you are new, Be Layered is a fragrance company. They have inspired fragrances, meaning that they make fragrances that smell or have remnants to other fragrances. They do make single note fragrances, and they do make their own fragrances. I'm going to be sharing with you today some of their popular, yes, have I said it enough? Popular inspired fragrances. As I mentioned already, my favorite by the brand is Parfums de Molly Delina. Theirs is called First Kiss, but it is inspired by Parfums de Molly Delina. And you know how I feel about Delina, so if you know, you know. I want to share with you today, you guys, they have some new. And I was like, oh my gosh, they have First Kiss Elixir. And when I went on the website and I was looking, I was like, what in the world? What is First Kiss Elixir? So I had to get my nose on it, so I had to smell it. You guys, this is their inspiration fragrance for Parfums de Molly La Rosée. And I have all of the fragrances that I'm gonna tell you about today. I have the original of all of them. So I can tell you if they smell like it, if they don't smell like it, and I'm always gonna tell you the truth. I'm always gonna tell you the facts, 100% my opinion. Okay, this one is First Kiss Elixir. And yes, okay, one thing I'm gonna tell you about Be Layered, they pretty much get it right. They really do. This one here does have remnants to La Rosée. I love La Rosée. It's good. It does not smell dead on. I really believe that's the originals, you know. I believe that no fragrance can smell dead on but the fragrance itself. If you got that, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the subscribe. It doesn't matter. Just hit a button. Anyways, I believe that this smells very close to it. It has remnants of it. It doesn't smell as watery or as fresh and like just watery as Delina La Rosée. It smells a little bit more powdery to me, this one here, but it does smell really, really good. So if you're interested in trying Delina La Rosée and you were thinking, I don't want to break the bank, or I don't know if I really want it and I don't want to, you know, have to go through the hassle of returning, because I hate that, I would say get a sample of this. If you know you like it, you're probably gonna like this. So this is one that I wanted to share with you that they have added. Another one is a favorite of mine. Well, it's recently become a favorite. Remember when I first tried it, I was like, what in the world? I don't get the hype. But now I'm like obsessed. I'm sold. I'm like, I bought the hype. I got the t-shirt. I got the matching hat, sunglasses. I'm telling everybody about it. And it is Creed. Creed Aventus for her. So Be Layered has come out with their inspiration to that fragrance, and it's called Irresistible. You guys, this fragrance has some of everything in it, just like Creed for her. It has green apple notes. It has bergamot, patchouli, violet, sandalwood, blackcurrant. It's got a
little bit of everything, just as the original fragrance. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this one smells very, very close. The longevity is really good. The projection is good. The sillage is good. I wore this and I was like, oh, and I had it on for a while and kind of forgot that I had sprayed it. And then I went in to smell myself and I was like, oh my gosh, this is really good. So this one is one I would highly recommend getting a whiff of, getting your nose on. You don't want to miss it. If you were thinking, I like Creed Aventus, it is really expensive, I don't want to spend upright of $400 for a fragrance, I'm not telling you not to get that. Shout out to the Cheraye TV. But I would say definitely get this. Get a whiff of it. Be Laird, they offer samples, so you can always try before you buy. That is another thing I love about their company. They have samples. They have like, I believe it's like, I'm not gonna start making up prices, you guys. I'll have everything linked in the description box for you below. But this one here is an inspiration fragrance for Creed Aventus for her. And it does smell, what am I gonna say? 96? 95, 94.5, just like Creed Aventus for her. I move on. Okay. Now the one, the one that I was like, oh my gosh, so many people I chat about this fragrance with from Be Laird, and it's called Caramel Overdose. If you know, you know. It is a fragrance that kind of gives reminiscence to Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. It's very sexy. It's very Netflix and chill. It's very, it's always a vibe. It's like pizza. It's like Drake. It's always a vibe. This fragrance can just get it. That's how I feel about it. That's just how I feel. Now, they have recently come out with Caramel Overdose PRIVE. And I hope I'm saying that right. PRIVE. It is so good, you guys. Now, this one here, in my opinion, it smells a little bit fresher. It smells a little bit dressier. It smells a little bit more like going out. So if you have Caramel Overdose, that one I get very warm, sexy, Netflix and chill. You can even cuddle by the fireplace. It's definitely a date day, date night, but date night from dusk till dawn kind of fragrance in my opinion. But this one here is a little bit more dressier. Some of the notes is caramel, vanilla, pear, rose, citrus, and orange blossom. The citrus and the orange blossom takes it a different place to me than the original Caramel Overdose. If I had to tell you if I had to recommend one to you is what I'm trying to say. If I had to recommend one to you, I would still recommend Caramel Overdose over this one. But if you're not into really sweet, gourmand, that marshmallowy note in fragrances, this might be a way to go. It's not as overdose and caramel as the original, and this one, like I said, is Caramel Overdose PRIVE. So this one is a little bit lighter in my opinion. It doesn't have as much depth or as much warmth, but it's still good. Out of the two, like I said, that one would be, Caramel Overdose would be the one that I would choose. So these are the three that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you are looking for affordable fragrances, something that won't break the bank, I highly recommend checking out Be Laird's fragrances. Like I said, they don't just have inspired fragrances. You guys, they have some of their own fragrances that smell amazing. Their sillage is good, their projection is good. I have never gotten a fragrance from them and it was a skin scent, or there are some that they have that I don't care for because they're just not my style, but I have never got a fragrance from them and I was like, it wasn't quality. So I would highly recommend that you check them out. Another thing that's good about them, they have gift cards. So if you wanted to gift someone something, you can gift them a gift card. They also have sample packs. So if you wanted to make it a whole thing, here's a sample pack and a gift card. So get the fragrance that you want. I love doing that because it's hard to choose fragrances for people, and I keep choosing fragrances for people, and I keep doing one for them, one for me, one for them, one for me. It's like, why? Girl, you are not here to shop for you. You are here to shop for somebody else. But if you have that problem too, then you can try some too before you buy. But if you were thinking, gosh, Cheraye, I really just can't do that right now. I'm not there. I have a way to share two fragrances with you. I have a way for you to win Caramel Overdose. Hold on. I have a box right here. I have a way for you to win Caramel Overdose and First Kiss, two of my favorites that I want to give to you. So of course this is a giveaway. Again, thank you Be Laird for collaborating with me in today's video and partnering with me on this giveaway. If you guys want to hear how you can win this fragrance, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe. Hold on, let me put this down because this is heavy. All you have to do, you're gonna win a full-size bottle just like this. We are going to ship it out to you. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Ensure that you are following me on Instagram. Make sure you're following B Layered on Instagram, and just leave something down below on why you would want to try these fragrances, or if you've ever tried B Layered's fragrances. Like I said, the two that you will have a chance to win, Caramel Overdose and First Kiss. Those are my absolute two favorites from the brand. First Kiss, of course, for sure, and it is an inspiration fragrance for Perfume's Delina, and then Caramel Overdose, which is an inspiration from Love Don't Be Shy by Killian. So those are the two that you have a chance to win. If you want to, you can share this video. If you want an added bonus, just share this video and tag me that you shared it. That is always a good thing as well. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel. I truly, truly, truly appreciate you. Happy holidays to everyone. Happy Vlogmas to everyone. Thank you for coming back, spending Vlogmas with me. I truly appreciate you. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.